We're coming to you from Imphal, the capital of Manipur, and Manipur is the powerhouse of sports in the country. It is arguably the sporting capital of the nation, a state which has given the country several athletes who have gone on to win medals for the country in Olympics, in Asian Games, in Commonwealth Games, several footballers, hockey players, and here I am in Imphal, and behind me is a young football team. But this team is very, very special because this is the first ever football team of transgender in the country. And let us hear from them their story as they practice here in Imphal. Now tell us, how did you get to know about this team?
One of my two younger brother, whom I regard as my younger brother, is working in Yaol, and then they approached me and they told me to join football, and playing has been my passion, so it is very delightful to be a part of this team, as we are all of the same gender. It means there's no discrimination among us, we're of the same type. If we play in a female category, then we get discrimination, you're too strong, you're too masculine to be playing in a girls team. That's the kind of discrimination we get. So playing among ourselves, we feel comfortable.
We're now joined by the captain. What has been your feeling after joining the team, and what kind of situation you faced back at home or among your peers in the society?
Before joining this, I have some discrimination because I'm a trans man. So actually in our society also, trans man is namely known as Nupa Sabi or Nupa Manba. Say you cannot be a man. Say oju. So this kind of word, and after joining this, I gave counseling to my mom also and my family and my friends' moms and dad also. After that, my colleague parents also getting some knowledge from after joining this Yaol. I give the counseling. That's why. So
So who is your favorite footballer?
Messi.
Messi?
Yeah.
We'd now like to talk to the people behind this team, the people who started this journey of India's first transgender team. Joining us now is Saddam.
We realized the younger transgender persons and also from the LGBTI community, they didn't find those spaces safe because sports was something which we thought is neutral, but realized it's very much binary. So the categories for the sports, everything, even in the sports meet, which is one of the biggest festival in Manipur, we realized there is no, space for them. So we started a kind of a friendly match in 2018 to, create awareness about inclusion in sports. So that even was unexpectedly well received by the crowd. Then they came, they cheered up the people. Because before that, when we say about transgender, when we talk about transgender persons, what used to happen was there was a very much a stereotype of what kind of jobs they do, how they behave, their behavior and everything, So when they started playing games and, actively participate in sports, people's idea changed. And that's why from 2018 itself, we have been doing this event called Queer Games during March. And this sports has become a strong tool for advocacy and also a safe space for them to explore themselves and to express themselves.
So there you are. They are the people supporting this young team who are not only realizing their dreams of becoming footballers, but creating a path which many others might follow in future.